Right, so we got out of this by using the winch up to that tree. That one there. As you know, we're supposed to sort of go right between those two trees, but it's still a bit boggy up there. We probably could have made it, but we've decided the effort that we've gone into here to unbog the vehicle, we'll just turn back. We managed to get it out of there, and then for him to reverse it up there, and now we're going to go out back that way. So that's the first climb. This is after the first climb. You probably know this bit. There, Glenn. And then you've got the second section. I sent the drone out from here, but I couldn't find. It was still too far away for the drone and beyond visual line of sight, and I was getting break up. So I'll go home, have a look at the vision I've got, and see how close I got. If we didn't have the winch and the straps, we'd be calling you to make a phone call on our behalf, I think. Oh, that's right, I was going to walk down there. All right.